Sustainable Nutrition, a new series from Health is for Life. Welcome to Health is for Life, your one-stop destination for all things health and wellness. In this video, we are going to introduce you to the latest megatrend, sustainable nutrition. Our mission is to educate and empower you to lead a healthier, happier life. Whether you're looking for tips on healthy eating, exercises to get in shape, or practical advice on managing stress, we've got you covered. So, sit back, relax, and join us on this journey to a healthier you. Sustainable nutrition, megatrend. In this video series, we look at the major topic concerning the health is for life industry at the moment. Sustainable nutrition. The so-called megatrend. The concept of sustainable nutrition is becoming a laser-focused trend in the global food system, but why is sustainable nutrition so important? What will be the impact on people, the planet, society, and most important of all, you? As sustainable nutrition moves to the mainstream? These questions and more will be addressed in this series. 5 threads that you need to bear in mind for your own health as we delve into this hot topic. 1. Sustainable nutrition is a critical part of the future of the planet and a necessary strategy for companies in the food industry. 2. The focus is on farming and sourcing practices, closed-loop supply chains, waste utilization, and feeding populations in need. 3. Addressing both overnutrition and undernutrition globally is essential. 4. The food and beverage industry will face increasing accountability through future legislation and consumer demand. 5. The current tools to measure environmental impact are still in early stages, but advancements in technology and data collection will improve transparency. This is an introduction to our 10-part short series looking at sustainable nutrition. Series content: expect to see the following topics covered in the series. 1. Your gut and microbiome. Biome beyond bowels. 2. Your mood, cognition, and sleep. Food, drink, and mental well-being. 3. Your plant-based future. Why taste and safety are so important. 4. Your body-positive weight management. No more deprivation. 5. Your aging with healthy nutrition. The quality of life. 6. Your immunology and nutrition. Food is medicine. 7. Your food of the future. How to feed 10 billion. 8. Your botanical boom. From ginkgo to garlic. Why botanicals are vital for health. 9. Your nutrition and food. The truth told at point of sale. 10. Your personalized nutrition. A plan for I, not for us. Join us in this series as we delve deeper into the important sustainable nutrition and what it means for the future of food and, most importantly, you. Thank you for tuning into Health is for Life. We hope you found today's episode informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Health is for Life tips, tricks, and trending topics. Take care of yourself, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.